Creating a resume photo can be stressful. That's why people these days are interested in editing their CV, including their photos using smartphone apps. Apowersoft Background Eraser is the first and useful resume photo app for a beginner who does not require any photo editing skills. The process is simple that we can summarize them in 5 simple steps. But before that, download and install the app from the Play Store or on the App Store. Tap the ID Photo tab, then choose the first photo size, 51*51mm 600*600px. Upload the photo that you need from your phone library. Then you'll see that your background is removed instantly. You will be directed to a new interface where you can choose a new background for your resume photo and adjust it the subject the way you want it. Then save it by tapping the Save HD button. And that is how you create your very own resume photo without any hassle with Apowersoft Background Eraser.